Here we have for sale a 2011 Chevy Equinox LT. It's got just over 6,000 miles on it. It has a 2.4 engine that gets 32 miles per gallon. It is all-wheel drive. Being 6,000 miles, you can see there's quite a bit of tread there left. There's no damage at all or scuffs to any of the rims. I see one little dent right there. There was no damage at all to the passenger side of the vehicle. It also has the tow package, the receiver with the wiring. There is GM floor mats, spare tire underneath. The back seats do fold down. When this was bought new, somebody put the auto armor on it. That's the rust-proof undercoating. Most dealerships generally charge around $500 for this option. On the outside, you can see there's just a little couple scuffs right here. And then on the chrome trim, just a little bit of a scuff there. Other than that, there's no other scratches or dents on this vehicle anywhere. Oh, I stand corrected. Here's one little rock chip and then one more rock chip there. Go for a little drive. We do have 2 keys for it. Currently 6,917 miles. It does have Bluetooth for the cell phone, cruise control on the other side of the steering wheel. There's lots of storage up there, in here, of course the glove box, in the doors, beside the console. It does have eco mode, and then up above, your dome lights. We're doing about 36 miles an hour. I'll let go of the steering wheel. We're still going straight, steering wheel's straight. The alignment's been done. And here we're still doing about 36 miles an hour. Take my hands off the steering wheel as I hit the brakes and you can see it goes straight. It doesn't turn at all. There's no shimmy, shakes, wobblies or anything that shouldn't be. It looks exactly the way it does when it came from the factory, with the exception of a couple of rock chips and the dents that I pointed out. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us. Thank you very much.